Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to share Facebook story to Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Facebook application first. Once you are there, let's make a story and heading over to my camera. And now I'm clicking a picture. Now just drawing something on it and then just tapping on share. And as you can see, currently my story is being posted. So keep patience. We need this to show you. So as you can see, my story is currently shared, and what I can do is to share it on my Instagram is I have to tap on the Instagram option on the top right corner, and here tap on share. And this is now automatically shared to Instagram. So yeah, this is how easy it is to share stories or Facebook stories on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.